Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about all things teeth, what I use to whiten my teeth and how I maintain my smile when it comes to whiteness. Is that a word? Let's just say it is. But yes, how I maintain the whiteness of my teeth. I recently have gone through a fast brace teeth straightening system. Now the system that I used was 6 months smile. Now this basically is a fixed brace to the teeth and they work a lot faster but do exactly all the same work as what traditional braces do, so train tracks, but they do it in a fraction of the time basically. And I wore mine for 5 months and just on the top, because my bottom ones wasn't a concern for me, so I just had the top ones. But yes, that's what I done, wore them for 5 months and that completely like sorted out my smile, loved it. Now I'm not going to go in too much depth about the teeth straightening part of it, but if you do want to know more about kind of my experience with having a brace and stuff and the 6 month smile system, then do let me know because I can go completely more in depth in a separate video. But today I'm going to be showing you a brand new product or system that I've been using to keep my teeth white. So the system that I used after I had my teeth straightened, now obviously when you do have braces your teeth can kind of be prone to you know, more staining and things, so I did decide to get them whitened after. Now the system that I used was Boutique Whitening. It looks like this, very premium kind of sleek packaging here. In this package you get 4 syringes, I believe they're syringes. I've used 2 and I've got 1.5 left. So basically you would use this system for at least 2 weeks because you won't see results if you don't use it for at least 2 weeks. You have a day and night system, so depend on which one you choose. The day one I think you use for an hour and a half or so in the day, but don't quote me on it. I'm throwing these all over the place. But I use the night system. So the night system you have to wear for a minimum of 4 hours every night for 2 weeks, or you can just sleep with them in. So that's what I done. So I was typically wearing mine for about 7 hours each night for 2 weeks, and I did see kind of results. They definitely brightened up my smile. It definitely gave me a few shades whiter and just overall just gave my kind of teeth a polished look. I just absolutely love it. But yeah, so that's what I used. But in terms of whiteness, I didn't see anything like dramatically like different or oh my god like really white, but for me it's probably different because to be honest I had decently white teeth anyway because I have had them whitened in the past, so it wasn't anything dramatic, you know what I mean, but it definitely did enhance the whiteness of my teeth and just maintained my smile. But definitely would recommend it because I did see results, just not anything crazy because like I said I did have white teeth to begin with. Now in these syringes you get 16% of Carbamide Peroxide, and that's 3 mils in here. As I said, you get 4 syringes. Now this system is a professional teeth whitening system, so you can only get this prescribed by your local dentist in the UK. I'm not sure if they do this system in the US because this is a UK brand, but as I said, if you're in the UK and you are wanting your teeth whitened, you do need to get it prescribed by your dentist. You can't just get it online or go on their website. If this isn't the usual system that your dentist use, then you can request it and I'm sure they're happy enough to order it for you. Obviously with that system you do need mouth trays or mouth guards, whatever you want to call them. Now this is what costs the most at the dentist, are these things here. Now this is a teeth tray that you would pop the bleach in a little bit, goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot, and this will keep the liquid tight, compressed in the mouth, and it's not going to keep moving around. And obviously you're not going to get any saliva build up because it is tight on the teeth. It fits perfectly to your mouth basically. So that's the thing with professional ones. Highly recommend to get professional ones because they work so much better. The high street ones are just not going to fit the mouth properly. It's just not going to do the same job. Once you've got these bad boys, all you need to do in the future is just get the teeth whitening bleach. Typically a syringe would probably cost like £25, £30 like per syringe or whatever, tube. and then you're good to go. But that is what costs the most. In terms of sensitivity, by the way, I didn't experience much sensitivity at all. I was quite lucky, only a little bit, like mild. For most people, it should be mild to moderate. Everyone is completely different, so it does vary on your teeth and obviously yourself. But me personally, I didn't experience much sensitivity, which is obviously really, really great. But yeah, I would definitely recommend the boutique whitening system. I think I've covered everything. In terms of cost, it does vary. In the UK, I believe it's between $250 to $350, I want to say. But as I said, it does vary depending on where you go. But yes, hopefully I've covered absolutely everything that you wanted to know about teeth whitening. If I haven't, and you do have any questions, then feel free to comment below and I will get back to you for sure. Give me a like and a subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for